All right, so we did the direction on warmer for this composition layout work. Now we're going to do the cooler. So the idea of any kind of adjective is to use the contrary. That's how it gives context for your design directions. Now, this time I did cheat because instead of in this video just one 30-minute sprint, I'm combining 3 sprints together. So this is over 90 minutes as opposed to 30 minutes in this case. So now I'm trying to push the design to be cooler or colder compared to the warmer design I did. So that first, so I was thinking about the contrast of what's the opposite of doodles and in casualness. I was thinking something very Trajan, Roman, very classical. So I was playing with using the visual motifs of the bar strokes, maybe a laurel relief idea. And, I was kind of having some struggling issues. And I came up with the idea of kind of like concrete, maybe working some black letter in there. And working kind of more that counterplay against a nice contrast play between Trajan and this kind of cut stone or breaking up idea. So I have a sense of dimensionality and space being rendered through. And it's quite fun. I really enjoyed exploring this idea of emotional quality and type. And let's see what I produce in the end.